Hello, friends. Welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of a stock market. So, again, I am here with the update of the stock market and the index levels. We will discuss the Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank level for the next week. Along with that, we'll discuss some important data, important stock market news, important reason of the stock market crash, and stock in news all about the stock market in one video. So stay connected till then and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for the regular index and stock market update. So now let's begin the video with important thing I am discussing is number one. I'll discuss some important data came in the last week. We'll discuss some important reason is the reason for the stock market crash, some important reasons, and then Nifty chart, Nifty bank chart. So first and foremost, let me discuss the stock market scenario, the important reason for the stock market crash. As you all know that the big and we can say with the it's a serious fall is happening in stock market in Nifty and indexes that the drastically fall this drastically that drastically fall happening in the Nifty 50, Nifty Bank, and mid cap Nifty mid cap index, Nifty small cap index. But everywhere it is happening actually. Every in every sector, I will say. But yeah, some sector are it still is okay, but in some sector is like mid cap and small cap is a total very means bad condition, I can say. Yes. So what is happening, I will discuss the levels and I will discuss the chart ki kitna fall hua kya hua, that will I will discuss in chart in Nifty chart. But before that, let me discuss the reason which was actually responsible for the fall. एक्चुअली इफ आई विल से कि मैं तो आई विल से कि इतनी सारी गुड न्यूज़ खुशियों के बाद भी मार्केट इज नॉट रेडी टू गो up or to move or to actually recover. Market is still in very means not happy and is going in like in more bad condition. सो मुझे नहीं लगता कि किस कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ खुशी है जो मार्केट को वापस से थोड़ा रिकवर करेगी, थोड़ा एक हमको भी कुछ ग्रीन कैंडल्स देखने को बैक टू बैक सम वी कैन सी सम गुड ग्रीन कैंडल्स. इट इज़ नॉट हैपनिंग. वी आर कंटिन्यूसली सीइंग द रेड कैंडल, वो भी means good candle, that actually that is the part of the chart. But yes, the reason actually, first of all, the main reason I will say in last some week 2 3 weeks, the main reason is Trump and Trump's tariff. We can say the US tariff, as you all know that in news that Trump is imposing the tariff on some countries. So this is a big reason, and still Trump is actually a big reason for the market fall. I can say it may be. So share market को it was market is scaring with the tariff or something, some or market is actually or market is scaring with the tariff or something related to that. Or number two will be the INR, USD INR, which is means the Indian rupees, the rupees is actually depreciating against the dollar. And actually last week I have discussed this, this was the big reason, because last week the Indian rupees reached to all time low, means it is almost about the 88 somewhere. Yes, I will show you in the this chart. You can see the US dollar in INR is in last Friday. This chart from the Friday. In last Friday, it was the highest at 86.9. So from and the all time high was the 88 something around or 88 or 89. So was from that day, was didn't say from that day it has now little bit cooled down, and now it has reached to 86.9. 86.9 or around 87 we can say. Still the rupees is depreciating. Rupees is not doing good against the dollar, and that is the big reason. As you know, the big impact, if you see my last video, you will understand that how it is impacting the import and export and all. So INR, in decreasing INR is the big concern for the stock market, which is happening since last 1 or 2 months, and market is reacting on that. और अगर ये ऐसे ही चलता रहा तो आई डोंट थिंक इट इज गोइंग बियॉन्ड द 90 समवेयर. 90 is a very high, means as we can expect this is the highest point the Indian rupees can go in this short time I'm talking about. Though it has already touched its all time high and falling again, but yes, 90 still we can consume, is still it will be okay if INR is reaching that time, but beyond that is actually horrible. So before that we have not reached till 90, so it is still okay. 88 is the around 88 is a high point, or still now it has cooled off. So now it has reached to 86.9, 87 around, but still it is not a good news for the market. Now, some other thing we'll discuss, that is commodity. Commodity means we'll talk about the Brent oil. The Brent oil is still decreased last Friday, but yes, it is at 75, 76 around, and till 80. I can say it's still okay, but yeah, this is not that big concern as the currency is concerned. Now if you'll say see the index levels, so you can see that what happened in last Friday, Thursday, Friday, it was very, means very badly was falling. And you can see the this 40 around 0.50%, half percent it was down, the Nifty 50, and even the Nifty bank was down around 0.5%, and the Sensex is 0.26%. But this is this figure is after recovering. मतलब Friday, if you have seen the market, you might be knowing that market even went down more than 1%, 1 point something percent. And again in last hour, last trading hour, it has recovered little bit and reached to this level. Means, but last Friday, I will show in the chart, it was more than 1% down. Means this is also not good actually. Why market is reacting uh, so badly even after some good news, after the rate cuts, after the tax exemption, everything, market is not reacting on these good news. uh, mm, and yes, the second reason, the first reason is US tariff, second reason is I told Brent oil is important. And then we talk about the FII selling. FII selling is not going to stop, looks like, in current time. That FIIs still continuing their money, offloading money from the Indian market, and this is also a biggest concern for the stock market. क्योंकि more than 5,000, 8,000 crore they are just offloading their money from Indian stock market. So why are they doing this is also a one point to discuss. In short, I can say that the bond yield is increasing because of the in US the rate cut happened. इंडिया में तो अभी एक ही रेट कट हुआ है, बट वहाँ पे ज़्यादा हो चुके हैं. सो दिस कैन बी अ रीज़न they are taking money out from the Indian stock market and putting in the US market, and some more reason is also possible. And yes, these FI selling is a big concern. Now one more point is the low growth earning. Means earning में जो कोई means earnings are disappointing, and there is Q3 is not at all that good, which actually we are expecting. Even FPI, the foreign investor, also is expecting the good result, that is not coming. And the Q3 result, the earning growth, earning season is not good at all. So that is also affecting the stock market. And these 3 4 reason is important to discuss, that why the market is showing so much negativity, because of these two: US tariff, uh, low growth earnings, and we can say FII is heavy selling. And the fourth reason is, of course, USD INR depreciating the rupees value. So this all you should keep in your mind before you're going next week for the market, for the Nifty. And some important thing I told, that I will discuss some important data, that is, yeah, next I'm going to discuss the important data, which is number one. In last week on Friday, the December IIP, Indian industrial production data came, which is IIP is at 3.2% versus the 5.2% MOM, means month on month. And last month it was 5.2%. Now it is the 3.2%, which is also going to give a trigger to the market, which is not good, not thumbs up, because Indian industrial production is down this time, means at 3.2% against the 5.2% last month. We talk about the inflation data, CPI inflation data, it has come at 4.31%, which is actually, we can say, it is good. And it has also decreased 4.31% from last month. It has, yes, decreased. Good news, but as I just mentioned, that no good news is working now on stock market nowadays, because every good news market is not reacting that positive. But yeah, negative news, it is reacting before even that. So as you all know, market never like this uncertainty. So these 2 3 things I have discussed in detail, I can say. And now let's quickly we'll go to the chart, and then I will show you what is happening. First of all, you can see the chart on your screen, that I have drawn some lines, which is very important. I will discuss and I will explain it now. And see, this is the daily chart, and this is the 200 EMA of the Nifty 50, which is far away from the current level. And this is the 200 EMA, and market, you can see, it is trading at this level, which is 22,900 around. Closed at 22,900, market closed, but yes, the low was 22,775, which is the even lower than last low, swing low, that was 22,786. So from 22,787 to now, it has touched the new low of the 22,775. There is no big difference. Yes, of course, no big difference. But yes, नया स्विंग लो मार्केट ने जरूर, निफ्टी ने जरूर बना लिया है. And that is not showing any good actually sign. So you can see here, this was very important. Suppose which market is respecting since last few months also. Even we go further, even before that we go this before this level. This time this is actually May 24. Even here, yes, May 24, and here also April. Means since April, we if we see, since April, it is always respecting as resistance or support. It is respecting this 22,800 since here it has taken resistance, here again, and then here it gave breakout, again went down, and then here again one support, and then you can see here, and then here, and then again here. What is the level is 22,800 around. 22,800 is a very very important support, has become a very very important support now for the Nifty 50. Yes, we have to keep watch on this 22,800 level. And yes, 22,800 level is very important for Nifty to take support. If it is breaking, it's immediately going to 22,500 again, means from here down. 22,500 can be a next support if it's not respecting this level and breaking this level. तो रेजिस्टेंस की तो हम क्या ही बात कर सकते हैं, मार्केट इतना गिर रहा है कि वी हैव टू टॉक अबाउट द ओनली सपोर्ट, व्हाट विल बी द नेक्स्ट सपोर्ट, द नेक्स्ट सपोर्ट, द नेक्स्ट सपोर्ट. तो यही चल रहा है. तो नाउ लीव द रेजिस्टेंस, बट yes, I will tell as this is for the trading purpose also, so I can tell for the short term, yes, 23,350 again, it is a very very important hurdle for the Nifty 50, and here it will again face the 23,350 around, it will face the resistance, breaking this between 23,350, again 23,600 will be a hurdle. और ये हर्डल कब तक चलेगा, दैट नो बडी नोज. इस मार्केट फॉल में, विच इज एक्चुअली इफ वी मेजर from here, from all time high, we see from all time high to 22,800, this swing low, this is already a more than 13 more than 13% fall already happened. 13% फॉल इज नॉट अ स्मॉल थिंग. और जो कि कई सारे इन्वेस्टर्स, ट्रेडर, मीन्स कई सारे लोगों को इट हैज़ ऑलरेडी शेकन, बिकॉज this time your all profit has gone till now. Maybe some people may be in profit, the long term investor I will talk about, they might be in profit, but yes, mostly trader or who was a new investor or trader in the market, they might be facing a very very big challenge in the stock market. I can only say the patience is the key. मैं ये नहीं कहूँगी कि you should sell and go around और you should buy, ये भी नहीं कहूँगी. Yes, now you can only work on the Nifty 50 stock, or we can say large cap stock, or very very good fundamentally strong stock. You can be in that stock. But yes, new mid cap, small cap, new stock, new IPO, all these are not in this current scenario, all these are not going to work for you. So what we can say only stay strong and have patience. The 2,800 breaking will take to 23,000 22,500, and then if it's breaking this much also, I'm not talking for next week, but yeah, in coming weeks, as you see the market is very very quickly breaking all the levels and very quickly going falling down. So we can say क्या पता अगले हफ्ते ये level आ जाए, this 22,500, and then after breaking this also, this point also, and then go beyond that, that can be 21,800. But still I'm not seeing any further fall after 21,800 is the, I think, can be a maximum fall. वो कितने दिन तक मार्केट गिरेगा, मीन्स हाउ मैनी डेज दिस सिनारियो विल गो ऑन, how many days, means 6 months already happened since September, it is falling. 6 months or 5 6 months already happened, and then again, means यहाँ से from this was a September month, yes, and it was the all time high. Still from there it is drastically falling. How many days more it will fall? So that's what I am saying, you have to stay strong in this falling market, this crash. And yes, breaking 22,500, even I hope so it should not break. But that breaking this level will be a horrible for everyone actually. And yes, 21,800, 22,000 will be a next support that I will talk later. But नेक्स्ट वीक तो मैं 22,500 इज आई एम होल्डिंग, या अगर तोड़ेगा तो फिर देन आई विल अपडेट, बट हाँ 22,500 इज द इम्पॉर्टेंट सपोर्ट, next support for the next week. So this was the Nifty 50 scenario, and what we can predict for the next week. So yes, Nifty 50 support 22,500 after breaking 22,800, which is important support. And what resistance is 23,000, still 23,350. So this was overall the Nifty 50 scenario, and the thing I have discussed. Please give your attention, full attention on this. Now let's quickly go to the Nifty Bank also. We'll discuss it, and then I have also drawn these two line, and that I have discussed in last week also. This there was a uh, double bottom breakout in Nifty Bank. Actually, Nifty Bank is much better than Nifty 50, and but still it is not. I will not say it is doing good. As you see here, it has given even breakout also with a good candle and reached to 22,000. Sorry, 50,000 200. 50,200 is a 200 EMA of the Nifty Bank, and here it has taken resistance. Then next it went up but could not sustain, and could not sustain. Then after again broken this 200 EMA, and then from there continuously consecutively falling and falling only. See here it has reached to this level, which is 48,800. 48,700 around has already reached, and still here also it is not looking that good. You can see this candle, it is not looking that good. But yeah, इस सपोर्ट पे आके it has actually थोड़ा तो यहाँ पे इसने बचाया है. But next week what will happen we don't know. But हाँ, still I am holding this support. It is very very important support of 47,850, 800 around. We can say 800 also. So 47,850 is a important support for the Nifty Bank for the coming weeks, we can say, or next week. But before that it has to break this important level of 48,700, we can say. Yeah, 48,700 को ब्रेक करने के बाद ये 47,850 पे पहुंच जाएगा. So this level you should also keep in your mind, which is I'm telling 2 3 levels. So 48,700 पे है already. So 48,700 breaking is immediately will take it to 47,850, and resistance 49,000, yes, 700 for the next week short term. वैसे तो इसका रेजिस्टेंस यही रहेगा 50,200, बट यस after breaking 49,700 will reach to 50,200. But nowadays we are not talking more about resistance, we are mostly talking about the support only, which is important because market is going in one direction only, which is downside. So uh, we talk about the support, and support यही है जो just I just discussed mentioned. So in this way the Nifty Bank also is actually not an that good condition. And yes, so Nifty Bank level for next week support 47,850 after breaking 48,700, and resistance, yes, 49,700. So this was overall a detailed discussion of the stock market scenario, all about the stock market. And yes, and I have discussed the Nifty chart also. So we can say this pain is still going to be in the market for next few, we can say few weeks few month also can be also. So we will see what is going to, because Q3 season, so now it's going to finish. The all results, mostly result has come, and Q3 results was also not that good. So we can say that this is going, Q3 has gone. Now we'll look up at the Q4 in coming April season. So we'll see, and that in that time, but till then, yes, some pain is definitely going to be in market, and you have to be patient about this. And especially in February, it is going to be there. So I will repeat the level again for you all. Nifty 50 support 22,500 after breaking 22,800, and yes, resistance 23,350, and Nifty Bank support 47,850 after breaking 48,700, and resistance opposed 49,700. So please keep this level in your mind for the next week, for the Nifty and Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank levels. And yes, share the video, like and subscribe the channel for regular index update, stock market news update, and all about the stock market in one video. Signing off.